I interviewed 36 people about how they keep their documentation up to date. Everyone has a system, but when you look closely, they all fail. Documents inevitably go stale, and because of this, a coding agent will do exactly what you ask, flawlessly, based on a decision that is no longer true, and nobody notices until it ships. And that is why I built MLA. It gives coding agents live access to the actual decision governing the work, intercepting and stopping violating action before they execute. What you see is Codex running GPT 5.6 powered by MLA through hooks and MCP. Watch this ordinary task. Implement the webhook retry policy from ADR 0007. The stale ADR dictates a fixed 30-second interval with 5 attempts, but during the workflow, before writing the code, Codex queries MLA for the current governing rules. MLA returns a different reality. After a partner outage on July 14th, fixed interval retries were banned because they triggered a synchronized thundering herd of failed deliveries. The actual governing decision, exponential backoff with full jitters, capped at 300 seconds with up to 8 attempts. Notice the evidence on the screen. This isn't an AI hallucination. It's a cited, timestamped decision reviewed by a human. Codex processes the shift, drops the stale plan, and implements the current correct architecture instead. Next, Codex tries to write the implementation record, but MLA intercepts and denies the write before it ever happens. It hits a different rule. Working documents belong in the nodes vault, not the repository. The agent never gets to perform the action. Instead, it receives the denial reason and the rule that triggered it. Codex reads the denial, doesn't try to hack around it, and gracefully relocates the record to the approved location. That blocked file wasn't written and reverted. It was never written at all. The action was stopped in its track. Every single intervention is logged. You can see the blocked action, the rule that caught it, and the human decision to either confirm or dismiss, because governance that you can't audit isn't governance at all. In a meta twist, MLA's Codex connector was actually built with Codex. Any specific edge cases Codex encounters are seamlessly handled by the combination of Codex and MLA working together. Coding agents are getting exponentially faster at doing exactly what we ask. Our new failure mode isn't bad code, it's perfect code built on an outdated decision. Teams already have the right context, it's just buried in thread and stale docs the agent can't see. Meatless agent MLA puts the most current accurate decision directly in front of the agent and enforces them before the action ever happens.